light for sale. Oh, ayo.
Stop, then you guys welcome to take pictures outside. Other than that, we don't want no phone getting lost or falling out or even cameras. Alright, the wind is blowing, you guys can feel it. Hang on to your hat, your eyeglasses, and ladies, you guys eyelashes, hang on to that. There's a lot of ladies up there doing this and not paying attention, you can't see. Alright, 4,000 acres, 3 different land division. Our south side, Hockey Pool land division. This is our Ko'olau Poko, the middle. And our north side is Ka'ama. So I'm gonna move forward. Everybody's gonna get out, go to the bunker, go in there. You guys are welcome to take pictures in the ambulance. Alright guys, welcome to our agriculture center site. The drive-through of our agriculture site. There was some movies that was filmed here, but it was only a site, so they did just a short version. So what you just see here, these fish, these ponds right here, actually our local vine, the vine that feeds the water. It circulates within each other, feed all of our crops that we used to have in the fields. When COVID hit, the crops all had to stop, but they didn't have any workers. Right here on our left is our dryland taro.
Here.
Our Maya bananas, our apple bananas on both sides. But look the size of them for 8 months. So they was all in the pasture on the fields over there. 8-month-old. On our left hand side, what we call Malaysian shrimp. This is breadfruit, right here on the right. I'll get to it up there. So the Malaysian prawns here, turmeric here only on the ground, under the black screen. In there, our new dryland taro. Under this green screen, on the black screen here, is our dragon fruit. So this is all dragon fruit underneath here. Across the way is more of our cacao trees. Yeah, turmeric. Yeah, turmeric. I'm gonna start drinking turmeric juice. I'm gonna start drinking it. Not gonna taste really good, huh? Yeah, but if you mix it with a little honey or some strawberries inside, yeah, it'll work. Because I tried the turmeric juice, just turmeric itself in water. Oh, I wasn't having it. Alright guys, today is Wednesday. So Monday we came to work. I worked on Sunday. So that right there is 25 plus years later. That tree. So there was another prop that was up, but because of the cows and stuff, the cows ran into it, rubbed his head against it, back, hip. Big Hurleys. It was part of the movie Lost. That's where the pig farm. Then they redid that up there. Now they use that as a wedding venue. Pearl Harbor. Filmed here, right here, we're looking straight ahead. Oh, pull it. So they use this mountain. The planes came from this side corner. So whole Puli connects to Hakipu on the side of the land, the property, and Ka'ahama. All of these mountain ranges, it all connects together. So they use this area, CGI to make this movie Pearl Harbor. And Pearl Harbor is on the other side of that mountain range, the other side. Wind Talkers, one of the best movies ever to me. Using the Indians for their guys' communication. You guys see up there on the mountain on a rock wall, they left back one of the guns, one of the barrels for the movie Wind Talker. Djibouti frontier, so the helicopter crashed in the farm. They picked up all the money that they guys could recover. Paid. This is Hale Wahine for the Wahines, the ladies. This is for the Hale Kane. Alright, we here at right now is 3:15. So come about 3:30, guys. 3:30. The bus gonna start. I'll be off. We gotta go. I'll just step. You just step it up. Alright.